You look nice today, Nell. Oh, thanks, Katie. That's lovely. I'm going to draw a picture of you later. You're going to draw a picture of me? Oh, I can't wait. Should we read the book first? So the next book that we're going to read is Who Sank the Boat? And it is by Pamela Allen.
Who Sank the Boat? By Pamela Allen. This book belongs to Katie. Who sank the boat? Beside the sea, on Mr. Peffer's place, there lived a cow, a donkey, a sheep, a pig, and a tiny little mouse. They were good friends, and one warm sunny morning, for no particular reason, they decided to go for a row in the bay. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the cow who almost fell in when she tilted the boat and made such a din? No, it wasn't the cow who almost fell in. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the donkey who balanced her weight, who yelled, "I'll get in at the bow before it's too late"? No, it wasn't the donkey who balanced her weight. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the pig, as fat as butter, who stepped in at the side and caused a great flutter? No, it wasn't the pig as fat as butter. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the sheep who knew where to sit to level the boat so that she could knit? No, it wasn't the sheep who knew where to sit. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the little mouse, the last to get in, who was the lightest of all? Could it be him? You do know who sank the boat. The end.
So, Katie, who sank the boat? The mouse? Didn't you just read it? Yes, Katie, I did, but I just wanted to see if you knew. Yeah, right. Well, thank you for watching. We will see you very soon. We are Edu-Katie.